The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
Diski TV powered by World Sports Betting, Diski Times.co.za. We are here at the FNB Stadium, Soweto Derby, and that's one Soweto Derby number bani part. Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1, and better Pagania. I've got 2, Yama Pagania, the caller Nikos, Pagania and Kaling out the booze, Bonus
ndivuyile Pagania iChiefs iyazibanga umlilo nje wamaphepha abantu bethu. So na next week siyabaphinda. Le game yanamhlanje badlalile kakuhle anifixoka. Badlalile but at the end of the day siwinile. Next week ngizabaphinda ngale 2-1 bangadumbi. Ndiyabulela.
Ubungenaqala ngoba beqala bakhona qala.
Hey bathe ize ngathi inkosikazi inikeze ipilisi zami zenhliziyo ndithi hey abazani yabakula 2 within 2 minutes babe sebekora that hey hayi kuzawubheda but as time banibona kuqhubeka igame that ayaba ngabantu bethu siyabuya yani ke sabuya sababhacabula.
I've got elinye Pagania ndibuza nawe umjalo namhlanje ubone njani?
Hayi bona like when they scored first basethusile kancane because besingakahlangani yabo. So sengicimba la lento yase CAF lena isiphazamisile yabo. But as kuyokudibana ndabona like I think 25th minute ndabona bayi liyahlangana iPagania yabo. Then after sibuye 1-1 then bese ngaba yethu because bese sibuyela kwi normal formation yethu besidlala kakuhle kakhulu yabo.
You think into abakore qala kumdlalo namhlanje mhlambi izincedile players zakho uba iKaizer Chiefs ikore qala so that nabo bazovuka babone ukuthi ikhona igame up and if we are not careful we might lose lo mdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, it was very early goal, I think first 3 minutes yabo. So yeah, it gave us time to come back yabo, yeah, to but sibuyele because I think besesethukile nathi yabo because after nale sikhukhune like it was not a very good game yabo and the league besesicima silahlile but noko ibuyise ithemba yabo bona masibuye sidlale kakuhle our normal game yabo. Yeah,
so ithemba noko libuyile ngoku itawula usayilahlanga because after that game esikhukhune abantu abaninzi baye throw itowel but no, I think it's over. So after a debut win namhlanje, do you think it will say confidence not only to players but nakuni as supporters of Orlando Pirates?
Yeah, because after Skukune, like I think now besethukile from Africa, so now we have to focus with league na then na final next week for Nedbank. Yeah, but ithemba lethu I think mostly we have to try Sundowns no singakhawuleza sinike league kwa early yabo noko noko up until the last game yabo at least noko benethemba yabo.
So going to the final next week into oyipick up ileyo kule mdlalo namhlanje uqonda ukuthi okay I think if boys singa improve kwinto ethile nento ethile mhlawumbe iscore might be bigger than 2-1 next week at Durban.
Yeah, I'm not expecting a big score but funeka siwine within 90 minutes yabo. Yeah, because going to extra time our players are tired yabo, so we can't really go to extra time and penalties yabo. That's gambling yabo. So yeah, thina one-on-one Chiefs siyababetha yabo like ipola yethu it's no sibisi zobebuyile next time yabo, so singadlala nangala back 3 xa ungathi yakho kurongo yabo.
Ubungenaqala namhlanje kawubona uSibisi has been part of team yakho since isizini iqalile. Xa umbone engekho namhlanje suspended ubungenaqala ukuthi mhlawumbi kungakhona ubuginqiginqi phakathi la center back pairing yakho between uMbokazi noXoki.
No, like uXoki noMbokazi bake badlala but as a 3 pair yabo with uSibisi yabo. So abengenaqala like they are solid defenders yabo. Like defense Pirates is very deep yabo. Like ngoku I think it's an injury kaSisane noNda yabo but asibadingi ncam yabo, so balinda babe right babuye yabo, so asinaxhala lapho yabo na ebona even nonkota yabo ikhona la chance ayibhudileyo 1-on-1 goalkeeper yabo, but like we had chances yabo but ke asinokhalela chances 3 points iyona into ibalulekileyo for now yabo.
Well, Pagania inkosi kakhulu sabulela ngexesha lenu. Well, that's it namhlanje. It's Orlando Pirates 2 Kaizer Chiefs 1. Andazi ukuthi ikhosi ngalivala ngaphandle because abeseme apha unganipha nje only a minute because Disappointing result for team yakho namhlanje.
Yeah, disappoint ayona kodwa ke first half isinikeze ithemba impela kodwa second half ngibona ngathi i-performance yabo ibe phansi kakhulu.
So namhlanje ukhange ube nalo ithemba nokuthi ungawina because ukora in the first 2 minutes khange ube nayo ithemba nokuthi mhlawumbe this might be our day apho sawubetha khona Orlando Pirates going to la final next week.
Yeah, vele namhlanje bekumele ukuthi siyichaye because last time ike isichaye 1-0. Yeah. So namhlanje vele benginalo ithemba lokuthi sizoyichaya Pirates but sibe disappointed. Very disappointed.
So what's going through your mind now? Niluzile namhlanje and nizodlala nePirates again next week kwi-final. Ulilele ndoni kumdlalo wenu olandelayo Orlando Pirates?
Yona vele iyathusa ngoba especially thina i-defense yethu ingathi sonke iko injury. Right. Then but I think kumele ukuthi sizame because i-Pirates imnandi siyazi ukuthi vele imnandi i-Pirates but yabona mawuthi maybe ucoach engayizama i-4-3-3 bona ngathi ingaba ngcono. Bona ngathi i-4-3-3 ingaba ngcono because bona ngathi ama chances ukuthi siye githi ngathi malutshwana ngoba amzayi mbona ama big chances amaningi kakhulu. Kube yona lena kuphela i-first goal then kwahle kwaphela kunjalo. So ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ukuthi sibe lo muntu lapha na ku mid ozazama ukusupply ama strikers. Right.
Kubani lo muntu? Do you think mhlawumbe ucele ufuneka aqale kwi-final to Breeze ufuneka aqale naye?
Ngicabanga ukuthi kube ucoach uyazama ukuthi amise kancane uMathi then azama ucele lo ngcobo first ku mid. Bazama ukuthi ba supply ama strikers ngoba lapha na bawubheka akula muntu osupply ama strikers ku mid yethu. Right.
Well, Nkosi kakhulu. Ngabulala ngexesha lakho. Well, namhlanje it's Kaizer Chiefs who just lost to Orlando Pirates at FNB Stadium. It's Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.